So, if you're enjoying this series, and you're into cafe racers, particularly Hondas, may I respectfully suggest you subscribe to this channel, and not just this channel. Yes indeed, check out this other channel. It's a good friend of mine, Mr. Moto Mango. Whilst I'm not into mangoes per se, prefer avocados, Moto Mango has a better ring to it, doesn't it? Already with a couple of Hondas under his belt, he's on to a new project. So do check him out, he's very informative, his videos are very well put together, and I would recommend subscribing to that channel.